What's going on, you guys? So I don't know if you've seen my recent video. My recent video was how to set up the HD camera, my review on it, what I thought about it. So I do believe the PlayStation 5 HD camera is worth it, especially if you're not ready to spend, a lot of money to build a whole setup, a camera, capture card, good mic, all that stuff. Then, having the camera, the HD camera is good enough. It's good enough if you just want to stream to Twitch and, YouTube. In this video right here, I'm going to show you guys how to live stream directly to Twitch and YouTube using the PlayStation 5 HD camera and the Pulse 3D headset. So this is mandatory as well. Or you can also get different headphones that have a mic on them, It doesn't have to be the PlayStation 5's Pulse 3D headset. It could be any headphones as long as there's a mic on that headphone. Or you can buy a separate mic and a separate headphone and then use them together. But I would just say get the Pulse 3D headset so you can get the 3D audio as well as, use all these functions. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this using Spider-Man. I'm just gonna go ahead and open that game right there. I've already calibrated and set up my camera. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out and then return back to this video right here. Okay, the game is open now, so I'm just gonna put my headphones on so I can hear what's going on in the game. So basically the game audio is coming out of the headphones. So that's why you would want to use headphones, or you would have to deal with the game audio coming out of your laptop or your TV or whatever it is. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm not even gonna go into the game right there. I'm just gonna directly stream from here. In order to do that, what you want to do is you want to hold down the share button. You want to press and hold on the share button. So the button on the top left corner of the DualSense controller is what you want to hold down. So you don't just tap it, because tapping it might just take a picture. You want to hold down. Depending on the setting that you've set it up in the settings menu, you can change it for different kinds of settings. So the little menu at the bottom right there is how you would navigate to broadcast yourself online. So it's super easy and straightforward. Once you've attached the camera and the headphones to your PlayStation 5, everything else is easy from there. So you want to go to broadcast right there, and then once you click on broadcast, it's going to bring up a bunch of options. You see Twitch right there. There's also another one. So there's two options. You can go between Twitch and YouTube. You cannot stream to both platforms at once. You'll need something different for that. If you want me to do a video on how to live stream using a capture card and all that stuff, let me know down in the comment section and I'll gladly make one. So you can just change your service here to YouTube. As you can see, I've logged into both of my accounts. You'd have to just log into both of your accounts. It's super easy to log into both of them. They've made it so easy and seamless. So I'm gonna switch to the Twitch accounts right there, and I'll try to broadcast from here. So just make sure that your mic is turned on as well. I'm not talking about the mic on your controller, so you can turn that off. Mine doesn't work because the one on my controller is not the one that I'm using right now. I'm using the one with the headphones. So all you have to do is turn that one on. There's a button on the headphones that you have to just press to turn on the mic. Once that's done, you should probably check all your settings. So click on the three dots right there, and then once you have that, you can choose broadcast options. Going through all of these settings, you want to make sure that it's however you want it to be. So the display camera just basically says, do you want your camera to show or not? Do you want it to show you playing a game or not show you? So picture in picture mode. Or display chat, so you do want to show the chat for your broadcast as well on the screen while you're doing your thing. Next up, display activity. So when you have new viewers, then you want it to show that, okay, we have a new person that just checked in, that kind of stuff right there. Overlay position, so you can just choose whatever position you want your overlays to be at. So bottom right, center right, top right, different positions on the screen. So it just gives you customization options and include voice chat audio. So this is the most important one. This basically includes the voice chat from the headphones. So when you're talking, that acts as your mic instead of having an external mic. Or you can get an external mic and use it with the system as well. So the video quality, you want to keep this at 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second. This is what I would just go through every single time before I broadcast, make sure everything's okay. It doesn't take you any time. You probably just have to check it and not have to change anything 99% of the time. Okay, so I'm gonna go live and stream this footage right now, and we'll see what it looks like, and we go from there. So I'm connected using the Ethernet cable as well. As you can see, this is pretty easy, nothing crazy. Works good, looks good. I don't see any problems with it, and well, that's it for this one right here. So the broadcast has stopped now because I closed the game. So the minute you close the game, the broadcast ends. So just so you know, once you close your game, your broadcast is over. So you don't just close the game and say, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video, in my next stream or whatever it is. Make sure that before you close the game, you're done streaming, you're done with it. So that's all I've got for you guys in this video right here. I hope you guys found it useful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you want to see some more videos like this one, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. It's Midas, and I'm out, y'all.